Hello, good morning students. Today we'll see the practical on how to use the Google Drive. For this, first we have to log in our Gmail account. So first the simple option is what first we have to go Google. First we'll open the Google page, and after that we'll at the right hand side the Gmail option is there. So we'll click on it so that we can log in Gmail account. Just wait, I'm clicking on this Gmail account, and after that we'll click on the next option after giving the password. It takes some time. Now when you open this Gmail account, the next process is what this dot is called the matrix. This dot is called the matrix. So we'll click on this because we have to see, or we have to go to this Google Drive. So we'll click on this, and here many more other things are given. So in this one only a drive is given, that is called the Google Drive. We'll click on, simply we have to click on it. If you want to save any important file, folders, or any type of things like photos, videos, audios, or any other type of documents, then you can save in your Google Drive. Now first thing is what, if I want to create a folder, so we have to go to the new option and click on it. Right side here the folder option is given. So we'll click on this folder option. We'll give here the folder name like my drive simply, or my file. I want to give the folder name, that is my file, and click on the create option. When we create, the one folder name is created here. As you can see, it is created over here. Now if you want to upload anything, means if suppose I want to upload any folder in my Google Drive, simply we have to go new option. Here it is given, you can also upload file or you can upload the folder as well. So I'll show you the folder option one. Click on it, just simply click on it, and give the location where is your folder. I have saved in desktop. So go to the one folder I have created. Just click on it and upload it. Now here it is asking upload. So from here at the right side, this same content is uploading over there. Now next thing is what, if I want to share something, just suppose this video I want to share, or this image I want to share with my friends, or if I want to share in my WhatsApp. Okay, so what we can do, just simply click on it, select the folder, select the file from here, any image. This is the image over here, and the right hand side the share option is given. The share option here, click on it, just simply click on it, and here we have to copy the link over here. Just click on the copy link option. Link is copied. Now if I want to share in WhatsApp, I have opened my WhatsApp in system only, in computer only. So I'll go in my WhatsApp, and here suppose I want to share, like first I will share here. Just wait, it will come. Now it's coming over here. Just simply come to the WhatsApp, right click on it, and click on the paste option, and at the right hand side the send button is given. Send it, scroll it and see. Once again I will do, I don't know why it's not. Now it's coming. if you want to open it, just click on this drive, means this link. Simply this image will open. It's coming. It's image, same like you can share your, if you have saved any kind of videos, audios, any kind of important documents, you can, if you want to share, you can share, like simply click or copy the link and share in your WhatsApp. Either you can do in system as well, or you can do in your phone as well. Now one more thing which share with me, if someone has shared something, suppose if any friends share anything with you, then you can see shared with me option. Here one friend has given me this this software, and it is coming in shared with me folder. Where you can find? In this folder only you can find. Now when you do all the things, simply at the last you have to sign out from this drive. At the last, just click on this over here where your name is written. At the down it is given sign out. Then you can simply sign out from your, or log out from your Gmail account, or you can as well as in your from your drive, Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you.